Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the food quality prediction using machine learning. So in that project you just have to upload an input image and model will predict the quality of food. So this project developed using Python programming language and web interface like Django framework is used for the web interface. This will be the project folder and we have trained model on large dataset of images. This will be the images folder. It contains multiple images of fruits. Let's scroll down. Like this contains 741 items of fruit. This large dataset of fruits that contain multiple images is used for training the machine learning model that can predict that fruit is good or rotten. Let's go to a web page and we have to upload any image of fruit. Go to the location of the fruit images and we have to select any of the image. Okay, and then click on the submit button. So it will predict this will be the input fruit image and now check for the prediction. Let's close it. This will be the prediction. It will show the semi-melon 71% and it will give the precaution and prevention and predicted class. Let's click on the predict button and upload any other image. So let's select this image and click on submit button. So this will be the input fruit image. Okay, and this will be prediction. Rotten melon with 67%. And it will give the predicted class, precaution and prevention. So it will give the complete detail about the precautions. Let's give another input image. We have to select from any images from that images folder. Let's select this image and then click on the submit button. Then it will give the prediction semi-pear and it will predict the class. Let's again upload any other image. We have to click on the browse image and select any image from the images folder. Let's select this image and then click on submit button. So it will give the prediction like fresh melon and will give the precaution and prevention. This will be the complete project. If you have any doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. And thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.